General Amazing Excavator. Excavator Amphibious.
Excavator Amphibious is a versatile piece of heavy equipment designed to operate on both land and water. Equipped with special pontoons or floating tracks, it can navigate through marshes, swamps, shallow waters, and other soft terrains that traditional excavators may struggle with. This capability makes amphibious excavators invaluable in various applications such as dredging, wetland restoration, shoreline maintenance, and environmental cleanup projects.
Excavator demolition.
The excavator demolition is a specialized excavator equipped with attachments designed for demolishing structures. It may include hydraulic shears, crushers, and pulverizers to efficiently dismantle buildings and other constructions.
Haul truck.
The haul truck is a large, heavy-duty vehicle used primarily in mining, quarrying, and construction to transport large quantities of loose materials such as soil, sand, gravel, ore, and demolition debris. These trucks are designed to handle heavy loads and rough terrain, and they often feature robust frames, powerful engines, and large cargo beds. Haul trucks come in various sizes and capacities, with some of the largest models capable of carrying hundreds of tons of material in a single load. They are essential in operations that require the movement of substantial amounts of material over long distances.
Concrete mixer truck.
The concrete mixer truck is a specialized vehicle used for transporting and mixing concrete. It features a rotating drum that keeps the concrete agitated during transit, ensuring it remains fresh and workable until it reaches the construction site.
Tractor.
The tractor is a powerful vehicle designed primarily for agricultural and construction tasks. It features large rear wheels or tracks for stability and traction, and is used for towing machinery, plowing, planting, harvesting, and more. Modern tractors often come with various attachments and implements for versatility.
Reach stacker.
The reach stacker is a heavy-duty vehicle used for handling and stacking containers in ports and warehouses. It features a telescopic boom that allows it to reach and lift containers at various heights, making it essential for efficient cargo management.
Mini excavator.
The mini excavator is a compact version of a standard excavator designed for tasks in confined spaces. It is highly maneuverable and can be used for digging, trenching, and small-scale demolition. Mini excavators are ideal for urban construction and landscaping projects.
Excavator digger.
The excavator digger is a vital piece of heavy machinery used in construction, mining, and landscaping. With its powerful hydraulic system and versatile bucket or shovel attachment, it efficiently digs, lifts, and moves large quantities of earth and debris. From digging trenches to clearing land, it plays a crucial role in shaping landscapes and facilitating construction projects with speed and precision.
Excavator auger.
Excavator auger is a specialized attachment for excavators designed for drilling holes in the ground. It consists of a rotating helical screw-shaped drill bit attached to the end of the excavator's arm. The excavator auger is commonly used in construction, landscaping, and utility installation projects for tasks such as drilling holes for fence posts, foundations, or tree planting.
Excavator hammer.
Excavator hammer is a formidable piece of machinery used primarily for demolition and breaking through tough surfaces. This specialized excavator features a reinforced arm and hydraulic system capable of delivering powerful blows to concrete, rock, and other hard materials. The excavator hammer is a versatile tool, finding application in various industries such as construction, demolition, quarrying, and road maintenance. Its ability to efficiently break through challenging surfaces makes it indispensable in tasks ranging from demolishing old structures to preparing sites for new construction projects.
Excavator mulcher.
The excavator mulcher is an attachment for excavators designed to grind and shred vegetation, including trees, branches, and brush. It is used for land clearing, vegetation management, and maintaining right-of-ways.
Fearless.